Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. Today we're going to take a look at this 2001 Harley-Davidson Softail Night Train with 33,860 miles. Powered by an 88 cubic inch V-twin engine with a 5-speed transmission, the Night Train puts out 78 foot-pounds of torque at 3,200 RPM. It has a seat height of 26.8 inches and a dry weight of 672 pounds. It has been upgraded with a Thunder header exhaust, an open-air intake, wheels, grips, a seat, chrome belt guards, cylinder base cover, cylinder head bolt covers, a shifter rod, horn cover, lever, grips, turn signals, and quick detach backrest hardware. This vehicle has been fully serviced, detailed, and comes with a 30-day nationwide warranty. We have also purchased a CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking on the link on the right side of the video.